So in this video, I have come up with a company called KeyForCash. So this company offers small tasks that you can do from anywhere in your free time and get paid. So this is the company's website, and the company is known as KeyForCash. Here's the company website. The company often is basically like US based company. So yeah, this company is basically a subsidiary of the Paper Free Corporation based in California. And so the company is basically providing like small tasks or micro tasks that you can do, like anyone can do from from home or anywhere, and get paid for their tasks, for completing that particular task. And so here it says like, why would I join Key for Cash? So they offer the ability to earn money by completing a small task that you can fit in your schedule. You work for yourself on as many tasks as you choose from your own device, wherever and whenever you want. Plus, you're connected to a global community of workers just like yourself. Most people join the Key for Cash workforce for the opportunity to supplement their income. So like they provide, as I said, they provide small tasks or like micro tasks, so that you can like do from anywhere in your free time, while you are traveling or while you are having like your holidays. Or so you can like take your time, and you can complete certain task and get paid immediately. So yeah, and there's no like long-term commitment to the company, or like you can just simply complete the work and then get paid if your work gets approved. Then what is the pay like? So they offer like competitive pay rates. As per their website, they offer competitive pay, and based on the expected productivity to complete each work item. Rates are set for each work item, so it is not like fixed. Depending on the task that you have been given, the rates can vary. And then and we pay once per month, so you will be checking your you can check out your payments and getting added up on your like profile, in your profile. But the payments are once per month, so you can withdraw the amount that you have earned throughout the month, in one go, uh, once per month. We provide further details on this during the sign up process. Do I have to pay to join? So no, there are no fees, uh, so you don't have to like pay anything for membership or anything else. So what are my obligations? No, you're not. You don't have any obligation working with the company. Key for Cash. How do I sign in, and what happens next? So you can sign in at keyforcash.com. So here, this you can sign up from here. This is the application. We ask you to answer a few questions so we can know you better by telling us about your demographics, education, areas of expertise, and language skills. You allow us to match you with the appropriate work items that fit your skill set. So like you need to provide like certain information about yourself, like about your educational background or your work ex, so that they can and also the languages that you know. And accordingly they will be providing you or sending you the list of jobs and list of work that you can be a good fit for. And after submitting this information, you may see one or more placement evaluations for you to take as many as you want. These evaluations will provide you with an opportunity to show us your real talents and skill level. So there may be you may be getting some like small test or evaluation kind of thing, so that you can take up. And accordingly you will have like more of the opportunities, like getting more like tasks as per your abilities. So yeah, once we have your scores from evaluations, we will contact you when your work is available. You will then be able to earn money for the work items you complete. So after you get evaluated, you they will be contacting you with the available work, and that you can do from home or anywhere. in your free time and then get paid. So yeah, you must complete at least one placement evaluation before you can be considered for work. You will only be allowed to work on those items related to the talent you have demonstrated. So this thing you have to keep in mind. And then the higher you score, the greater your chance to take on more work items and be paid for work. So like depending on the evaluation that you have taken, yeah, you will be getting tasks, or you will be assigned tasks, and then uh, okay. So and also based on that, your the higher you score, the greater your chance will be to get like more work or more like tasks. Once we have your scores from the evaluations, we will contact you when work is available. You will then be able to earn money for the work items you complete. If you like this opportunity and you wish to join, so here is the sign up form. You can sign up from here. You need to provide like you just need to provide your full name and then email ID, password, and then location, that from which country you belong. So here's a list of countries. So you can mention your country, current country, and then city or town, and then provide your postal code, and then accordingly you can sign up here. So here it says just yeah, here are all the criteria that you must meet. You should be at least 18 years of age, and your country of residence must be your uninterrupted residence for the duration of your participation in KeyForCash. That is that you should be you should you should have permission to work in your country where you are residing currently, and then you must complete at least one placement evaluation. So yeah, I have already explained this, that you also need to, after you sign up, you have to provide you have to take up certain evaluation or certain small tests before you start, and then only you will be getting work opportunities. We recommend signing up for uh, KeyForCash account using a Gmail address. So they are recommending that you use your Gmail address while providing your email ID. You should provide your Gmail address uh, instead of providing like Hotmail or any other address. Provide your Gmail address. That would be better. And then so that yeah, and also you please add a domain like keyforcash.com to your safe senders list, so that when they send you an email, it doesn't go to your spam folders or junk folders. So you have to take care of that. And then we will never send you irrelevant spam or marketing emails. So yeah, so that's it. I think this is a good opportunity for people who are interested in uh, getting in doing small tasks, or who are work from home ladies, or like students, and they want part-time opportunities. So this is the company where you can get small tasks or micro tasks that you can do from anywhere in your free time. And so yeah, I think that's it. And thank you for listening.